Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. This time I'm going to add the Freon to this 2015 Honda Fit. The procedure is the same for every car. Well, I've done this a couple of times, so that's why I have tools. But if you're doing it for the first time, you not only you need the Freon, but there is a better Freon that comes with with the port and the adapter. So this one I bought it separately, and it's a good one. And I will tell you why. And this is something that I bought later. And the purpose of this I bought at Walmart is just in case if you don't fully use the Freon or it's not empty out. If you only attach this to the Freon and then the can and you still have Freon left, you cannot take it out because of the hole. However, this adapter allows you to take this off, and then so it seals the Freon in the can. So this was purchased separately at Walmart. There are many gauges out there, but this one is a good one. This is a best one so far. So you see, you cannot put too much Freon in the vehicle, so it's important that when you do it, you know how much you're putting in there. So this gauge will help you. You see here, from negative 70 to 90, and so the way this works, that you move, you know what the outdoor temperature is for you. So you see that little you see the arrow. So what you do, you turn this around. See, there we go, like this. Right now the temperature is 96. Temperature is 96. Okay, so you see the temperature, the outdoor temperature is 97, so it's 90 plus. You put it on the gauge, and so it's not. So you see 90 and plus. I put it here, and when you put it here, here's what happens. You see the arrows, the two dots. They are between 35 and I can't see well. 50, something like that. So that means that once see that black needle, once it's inside, that means that you can stop it if you want to. You can stop adding Freon to the vehicle. So basically, don't make it past this last or second needle here. So that's when you know that you have enough Freon in the vehicle. In terms of what kind of Freon you need, now all vehicles right now, when I say right now, in the past 15 years, they use this, okay, 13.4A, R13.4A. They don't use the bad one anymore. I said bad, but it wasn't bad at I say R12. They don't use R12 anymore, so it's this one here. And I went to Walmart to get this. This is this Walmart brand. Sometimes one time I looked and there was one that has a sealant, but this time no sealant. So I'm using this. And the way where this thing works, you shake it first, and you install it. But all the instructions are here. Okay, so you see the needle in there, okay, and that's the one that's going to puncture this and to release the gas or the Freon, but it will not come out because there is a protector here inside here. So now let's go ahead and do it. All right, this is like so, and now I'm going to put this the adapter on it. For protection, when you're working with this type of liquid, you need eye protection and also gloves for your hands, preferably rubber gloves, okay? All right, before I start the vehicle, let me show you something. Some of you who've never done this before, or one of you might ask, where do I plug this? Well, you have to come in front of the vehicle and lift the hood and look for something that looks like this. And generally, you'll find two ports, and they both are the same area. You got the low, and then you have the high. And so now you might say, well, now how do which one do I pick? And what if I make a mistake? If luckily your car will still have the adapters, and one will say low. We see that's a L. I mean, not that's an adapter, but cover. Okay, it says low, and then this one with an H will say high. Now, let's say you didn't have any, and it was exposed like this. See, it was exposed. Okay, exposed. Now look at the difference. You see, this is bigger, and then this one. This is small, and this is big. And this will only fit in one of them. So if you try to put it in this one here, it will not get in. It will not go in. But here it will go in. Okay, so that's the right one. That's, for example, you buy a very old car and it doesn't have this, then that's where you put it on the small one. And how do you do that? Look, see, you pull back on this. When you pull back on it, you pull back while you push in, and this will go in and make the seal. All right, we're going to start the car and then put it on high, okay, a maximum AC, cold, and so the AC compressor, the clutch for AC compressor can start, and once it starts, and that's when it will suck in or suck out the freon out of the can. All right, it's a push start, and that's it. And this is the AC. The AC. Make sure it's AC. It's on, and you put it all the way over here. And then number 1 through 4. That's the fan. See, you put it on a very high fan. Okay. And so it's full blast, and it's not blowing cold air. It's just fresh air. Okay, so you see the temperature. The outdoor temperature is 97, so it's 90 plus. You put it on the gauge. Okay, put it at 90 plus, and this needle will if it's between here, or make sure it doesn't pass this one, this line here. And we have to shake this too. Also, one thing I forgot to mention, you see it has the trigger. Yeah, you pull on the trigger. All right, so see, like here, you pull on the trigger, and you move it left to right, and you can release the trigger, and you'll see where the needle is. And you do this several times. And the can has to be must be cold. If not, then that means that the Freon is not leaving the can. See, now it's full. See, see, see that big needle is passed. So now let me go ahead and turn it off. Turn the car off. Okay, so now we're done, and I'm putting the cap back on. Okay, and it should be fine. So what would happen is I will watch the vehicle and the AC Freon for the next few months, and if it drops, then what I'll do is I'll buy a dye and do a test to see where the leak is. And also there's a Freon they sell that has a seal, but Walmart didn't have the one with the seal, so I opted to buy the one they only had. Okay. All right, we are back again inside. Let me uh, switch the car back on, and AC is blowing. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, it is cold. It's certainly it's a lot better now. Fan the full blast. It's a lot better. Yeah, it is full. So what I'll do, like I said, I will make sure that it's still cold, and if I lose Freon again, that means there is a leak. The second thing I'll do is buy a Freon with sealant and to seal the leak. And if that doesn't work, then that's totally a different deal, because it's very expensive to replace those AC system and stuff. But yeah, all right. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share the video. Again, thank you. Woo-hoo.